Hey, yo, guys, check this out. 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 This is one cheap true wireless headset. This is called the F9 version 5.1. It's so cheap. All these things don't mean jack, but we're going to test it out and see how good it is. All right. So there it is. So we could read. This is the version 5.1 Bluetooth version what? Can't even read it, man. And in 5 hours play. We got five. Hold up. Yeah, we got 5 hours play. Charging battery capacity. I'm telling you, man, I can't see. The writing on this thing is so small. Maybe we'll get something in the inside. So we got real wireless, and unlimited, calling and music, battery capacity. All right. So this is how it looks like. It just looks nice. That's why I got it. The pictures look nice. The ad looks nice, and I'm yet to see whether it's actually this because it's quite cheap. So product name, this is the F9. Bluetooth version again of 5.1. Okay, I can read here. Working distance is 10 meters. Charging time 1 to 2 hours. Calling time about 4 hours with earbuds. Music time about 4 to 5 hours. Earbuds battery 50 milliamp hour. Now the frequency is 50 to 8 kilohertz. 50 hertz to 8 kilohertz. Speaker size 8 millimeter. Charger case speaker 4 ohm 3 watts. Sensitivity 95 plus minus 3 dB. Input current 5 volt 1 amp. Output current 5 volt 1 amp. Weight about 115 gram. Earbud and charger case combined. Okay. So far so cheapish. The earbuds. Alright, have a look. Alright. Okay. Very light. Well, that's strange. Got some lights going on, man. Did I press something? I don't remember I didn't press anything, right? Did I? Okay. Got some. Alright. Hold up. I didn't press anything, man. Anyway, in case I did, I'll find out when I review the video. Alright, so there it is. This is the other one. Just flashing. Just doing its thing. I don't know what the hell it's trying to do, but it is what it is. And here, okay. Let's peel this thing off. Alright, okay. It's just, real cheap plastic, okay? Let's not make anything. Alright, it's just very cheap plastic. So you open it here. Hold up. Oh man. Very lightweight. Okay, so you open it here. Alright, so you have your charging port. So you just open it this way. A little bit of see-through. See? See-through. You got a little display here, LED display. And you charge your earbuds. You place this inside. And it's charging. Alright? It's charging. I don't know what that means. It's like a 5. But they're charging. So far, so good. And the good thing is you can also see it here that they're charging. Let me see if I've placed this. Turn it around and see. I think this is the actual. Is it still charging? No. Yeah. So trying to see if, yeah, it's charging. So it doesn't matter how you place them, it'll still charge. Okay, that's a good touch, right? Think so. What else do we have inside? We have documentation. Oh man. some spare ear tips. See if this one has any. Yeah. So these are spare ear tips to fit a specific ear. You got a bigger one and a smaller one. And you have one charging cable, standard USB 2.0, right? Right, just standard USB. And documentation. Should I even waste my time with documentation? No. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay, let's charge this up and see how if it works. Let's see, get some. Okay, so let me open this up. All right, plug it in. Plug it in. Plug it in. Okay. So when you're charging the earbuds, you have this indicator flashing. All right, so they're charging. If you're charging the case and the earbuds, you have this flashing as well as these. So now the case is charging, the earbuds is charging. Right? Good. So if it's just the case, you would only see this flashing. So that's it. If you want to know how much I paid for this, 20 CDs. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. It is what it is. I'm going to use this earbuds for a while. If I have any issues, I'll let you know. But I spent like 20 CDs. I mean, it's quite cheap. But if the quality is good and everything, I'll come back and let you guys know. But this is what you have in the box. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and take it easy. Alright? Peace.